Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, I am happy to welcome you all for our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. For the class 11, subject Biobotany, we are discussing the chapter Vegetative Morphology. Today, we are going to see Phyllotaxy. The word Phyllotaxy is nothing but arrangement of leaves. Arrangement of leaves. You know very well, a plant has two major parts. One is the root system, another one the shoot system. The shoot system comprises of stem, leaves, etc. So, the mode of arrangement of leaves on the stem. The leaf is originated at the nodes. Nodes are the part which is present in the stem. From there only the leaves arise. So, mode of arrangement of leaves on the stem is called Phyllotaxy. The Phyllotaxy is to avoid overcrowding of leaves and expose the leaves maximum to the sunlight for photosynthesis. If there is no arrangement of leaves in a plant, means some leaves are exposed to sunlight and some leaves are not exposed to sunlight. So, for photosynthesis, sunlight is necessary. Leaves is the site of photosynthesis. If there is no proper photosynthesis to the leaves, means there is no photosynthesis takes place. So, Phyllotaxy is very important. So, arrangement of leaves on a stem is very necessary. So, Phyllotaxy is nothing but mode of arrangement of leaves on a stem. There are four main types of Phyllotaxy. One is alternate Phyllotaxy. See here, alternate. This is called alternate Phyllotaxy. Second one is opposite. This is stem. This is called opposite Phyllotaxy. Ternate. This is called ternate Phyllotaxy. And fourth one is whorled. Whorled is nothing but circle. In a node, four types of leaves, four leaves arise. So, that is called whorled Phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy, there are four main types. One is alternate, second one is opposite, third one is ternate, and fourth one is whorled. See the picture here, children. This is the stem. Stem bears the leaves. The leaves are arranged on the stem. So, this is called Phyllotaxy. Can you get my point, children? Yes. First, we will see alternate Phyllotaxy. The name itself, you can easily understand the concept. Alternate. See the picture here, children. So, it is a type in which there is only one leaf per node. Node is the place where the leaves arise. Nodes are present only in the stem. Nodes and internodes are the special type of parts which is only present in the stem. So, there is only one leaf arise in one node and the leaves on the successive nodes are arranged alternative to each other. See the picture, one leaf looking this side and another one is opposite side. Okay. So this is called alternate phyllotaxy. There are two types of alternate phyllotaxy. One is alternate spiral and another one is alternate distichous. First one is alternate spiral, in which the leaves are arranged alternatively in spiral manner. Example is hibiscus. See the picture here, children. This is a hibiscus leaf. This is stem. This part is called node. The leaves arise alternatively. Okay. This type of phyllotaxy is said to be alternate spiral. Leaves are arranged alternatively in spiral manner. Second one is alternate distichous. In this type, leaves are organized alternatively in two or more rows. Two rows on either side of the stem. See the picture here, children. This is the stem, and this side leaves are arranged, and alternatively this side having two rows. So leaves are organized alternatively in two rows. This type of arrangement of leaves is said to be alternate distichous. Okay. Next we move on to opposite phyllotaxy, second type of phyllotaxy. First one alternate over, second one is opposite. So the name itself you can easily understand. Opposite, one leaf looking this side and another leaf looking other side. See here, like this arrangement. Okay. So in this type, each node possesses two leaves. See here, this is the node where the leaves arise. So each node possesses two leaves. So each node possesses two leaves, and these two leaves are opposite to each other. Very, very, very important sentence. These two leaves are opposite to each other. They are of two types. Opposite phyllotaxy is of two types. One is opposite superposed and another one is opposite decussate. First one is opposite superposed. A pair of leaves arranged in succession or in the same direction. See here. See the picture here. This is the stem. They have leaves here. All these leaves are in same direction. The pair of leaves in a succession or in same direction. So that type of arrangement is said to be opposite superposed. Here the leaves arranged in the same direction, that is two opposite leaves are at a node exactly above the same, exactly above those at the lower nodes. Okay. Example, guava leaf. See the picture of guava leaf here. The leaves are arranged in same direction. The opposite leaves, they are opposite. Each node bear two leaves. Each node having two leaves. All these leaves are arranged in the same direction. But these two are opposite with each other. That type of arrangement is said to be opposite superposed. Next one is opposite decussate. See the picture here. One pair growing this side and another pair to the opposite to the other side. The angle between these two pair is 90 degree, right angle. Okay. So in this type of phyllotaxy, in this type of arrangement, one pair of leaves is placed at right angle to the next pair. One pair is right angle to the next pair. See here. One pair like this. Another pair, it is quite right angle to the first pair. So that type of arrangement of leaves is said to be opposite decussate. It is seen in the callotropes. See the picture of callotropes. These two leaves arise at a single node, one node, and these leaves are opposite to the first one. So, such type of arrangement of leaves is said to be opposite decussate. Next we move on to ternate Phyllotaxy. In this type, there are 3 leaves attached or arranged at each node. What is the meaning of that? A single node, a node possesses 3 leaves. So, 3 leaves are attached at each node. Such type of arrangement of leaves is said to be ternate Phyllotaxy. It is example, it is seen in the nerium leaf. See the picture here, children. Here a single node. One node possesses 3 leaves. 3 leaves are arranged at a single node. Okay, that is seen in the nerium. It is a good example for ternate Phyllotaxy. The next one is world. As I said earlier, world is nothing but circular form. So, in this type, a node having 3 or more leaves in a single node. 3 leaves are present in a hole at each forming a circle. Okay. So, in this type, more than 3 layers are raised at a single node. One node bearing having more than 3 leaves. Such type of arrangement is said to be world Phyllotaxy. It looks like a circle. Okay. See here, this is the node like this. The leaves arise at a single node. Example is alamanda. See the picture here. This is the node, children. This is a node. Okay. The single node give rise to more than 3 leaves. So, here the node, from the node more than 3 leaves arise. It looks like a circular shape. Such type of arrangement of leaves is said to be world Phyllotaxy. Can you get my point, children? Next we move on to leaf type. The pattern of division of leaf into discrete components or segments in term as leaf type. What is that leaf type? A pattern of divisions. So, based on the number of segments, the leaf type is of 2 types. One is simple leaf and another one is compound leaf. What is that? First one is simple leaf and second one is compound leaf. So, pattern of division of leaf into a discrete component. Okay. So, first we will see the simple leaf. The name itself you can easily understand. Simple. The arrangement is simple. The petiole bearing only one leaf. Such type of leaf is said to be simple leaf. See here, a leaf is said to be simple when the petiole bears a single lamina. Lamina is nothing but leaf blade. See, this is the petiole. If petiole bears a single leaf, such type of leaf is said to be simple leaf. It is seen in Magnifera, that is mango. Mango leaf having like this only. So, this is the stem and this part is said to be petiole and this is leaf. If the leaf is formed, if a petiole bears a single leaf, then it is said to be a simple leaf. Okay. So, but the lamina may be entire, it is undivided. Example, mango. In this same simple leaf, there will be a second example, incised to any depth, but not up to the midrib or petiole. Example, cucurbita. See the picture of cucurbita, children. There will be a incised depth not up to the petiole level. So, this is also an example for simple leaf. See the picture of Magnifera. This is the petiole bears a single leaf. Okay, such type of arrangement, such type of leaf is said to be simple leaf. Next we move on to compound leaf. Compound leaf is one in which the main rachis is nothing but petiole, bears more than one lamina surface, one leaf blade, that is called leaflets. So there will be a main axis and give rise to small leaflets, that is called compound leaf. There is one axillary bud in the axil. Axil is nothing but stem, main axis of the whole compound leaf. The leaflet, however, do not possess any axillary bud. See the picture here, children. This is the leaflet. There is no axillary bud. But in the case of compound leaf, initially there will be an axillary bud in the axil, main axil. Okay. First we will see the pinnately compound leaf. A pinnately compound leaf is defined as in which the rachis bears laterally a number of leaflets. So see here, rachis give rise to number of leaflets. See the picture here. See the picture of tamarind. This is the rachis. This rachis give rise to number of leaflets. Okay, and all these are arranged alternatively or in opposite manner, as seen in the tamarind. So these leaflets are arranged alternatively or in opposite direction. Okay, so the pinnately compound leaf has two types. One is unipinnate. The rachis is simple and unbranched, there is no branch at all, which bears leaflets directly on its sides in alternative or opposite manner. It is seen in the neem leaf. See the picture here, children. This is the rachis. The rachis give rise to leaflets. So the rachis is simple, there is no branch, it is unbranched, which bears leaflets directly from the rachis and on its either side. It may be alternative or opposite direction. It is seen in the neem leaf. Next, this unipinnate leaves are of two types. One is paripinnate and another one is imparipinnate. If the leaflets are even in number, then it is said to be paripinnate. It is seen in the tamarind. So see the picture of tamarind. The leaflets are even in number. Leaflets are even in number. This is the rachis. The leaves are arranged in alternative or opposite manner. So all these leaflets are even in number. This type of arrangement is said to be paripinnate leaf. The next one is imparipinnate. The leaflets are odd in number, then the leaf is said to be imparipinnate. This imparipinnate leaf are seen in the rose plant. See the picture of rose leaf. There will be leaflets are odd in number. This is the rachis. The leaves arise. The leaves are odd in number. Okay. Next we move on to the bipinnate. The primary rachis produces secondary rachis which bears the leaflet. There will be a main rachis. From here the secondary rachis will arise. In that secondary rachis leaflets arise. Such type of arrangement is said to be bipinnate leaf. So the bipinnate, So primary rachis produces secondary rachis. The secondary rachis is known as pinnae. Number of pinnae varies depending on the species. Different plant having different number. Example, Mimosa pudica. See the picture of Mimosa pudica. This is the primary rachis and this is the secondary rachis. In that secondary rachis, leaflets arise. Okay. See, it is seen in the Mimosa pudica. Next one is tripinnate. Tri, name itself you can understand this concept, tripinnate. The rachis bears the branches, three branch. The rachis branches thrice the leaf is called tripinnate. Thrice the leaf is called tripinnate, that is secondary rachis produces the tertiary rachis. Secondary rachis produces the tertiary rachis, then it is said to be tripinnate. It is seen in the moringa. Moringa is nothing but drumstick leaves. See the picture here, children. This is the primary rachis and this is the secondary rachis and this is the tertiary rachis. So primary rachis give rise to secondary one and secondary rachis into tertiary rachis. So see here, the secondary rachis produces the tertiary rachis which bears the leaflets. It is only seen in the moringa, drumstick leaves. And fourth one is decompound. When the rachis of leaf branched several times, then it is said to be decompound. Example, Coriandrum sativum. See the picture here, children. Coriander leaves, coriandrum. So many branches here. So such type of leaf is said to be decompound. Rachis of leaves branched several times, then it is said to be decompound. It is seen in the coriander leaves, Coriandrum sativum. Thank you, children. To receive our online lessons, please press subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.